members, I'm Jeremy Muhia.
Muthia kamite ya kuthurima ubuthiri wa kigina kia thirikari cia county matura-ini CPAC riu no ihumuke thutha wa kwiriro ni wabici ya munene wa borithi ati ni mekurutithania wira gwikia ngono mangabana arĩa mangatheire cikaro cia kamite ino.
The fact that governors are called excellencies does not preclude them from being answerable to the law. Inspector General of Police, do you have enough manpower? I saw 39 governors sign a communique yesterday that they will never appear before this committee.
We are put in law under the Powers and Privileges Act that where someone summoned fails to appear, there could be recourse to fines, or Parliament may request the IG of police to arrest and produce that person. How do we effectively make use of that provision?
In a given time, any matter that is criminal in nature, the National Police Service, through the DCI, is ready to investigate and probably work together with the EACC. If we feel at a certain stage we need to engage the EACC on the same, we are all ready to collaborate and work together. Thank you very much.
Uboroyo uria ubukite thutha wa kanjo ya magabana gwakia mwaki mari Kilifi makiuga cikaro cia kuthurimo ubuthiri wa kigina gia county ituikite egetumiro kia ungumania ni ndeto iria itumurite ndereti maseneta magicokia migwi miruru makiuga aruna ao magabana mararako tondu matirenda kuigiririka.
But there are some things that sometimes are outrightly criminal, where county officers ban records. They ban finance records. Happened in Kitui, happened in Migori, happened in Homa Bay, happened in Embu, happened in Kisumu. It's becoming a trend that when they are caught pants down, they go and ban the records. These ones, I think, are criminal things that ideally the DCI should be seized of.
I'm happy with this engagement. Our good win today is willing to help us on accountability and is willing to partner with us. Let's give him good files where we see that evidence has been presented to us on plundering of resources.
Maseneta mugite kwa ibinda iraya monekaga ta wira wao ukoragwo kuburira mburi ngita amu ona morota ungumania wa mamilioni ma mbeca thirikari-ini cia county ugotire ikinya ritacokagio ni bonge cia wathani.
We will continue to operate within the confines of the law, meaning we are ready to work together with this committee, work together with Parliament for the good of the people.
Rubonge rwa borithi rugite unyitaniri-ini wao na DCI o ũndũ na EACC megutigirira muingi ni watungato na kubeo ugitiri na njira igwete.
Media who are present.
Negusanio iria ikoreto egiakiriria ya kuthimana icoka gatagata-ini ka magabana na maseneta. Gusanio no ikioneka kuoya mwerekera mweru thutha wa munene wa borithi Douglas Kanja kwirira kamite ya kuthurima kigina kia thirikari cia matura ati riu undu uyu ni awoete moko-ini make. Ngiribotera Inoro TV kuma bunge-ini ya bururi kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, njitagwo Masi Wadia wa Muriithi.